Привет, друзья! Welcome. We've got a 3 magazine review from Pla Editions. Just a quick one as well. These aren't the latest magazines from Pla Editions. Check out the website. Also at the end of this video, special discount code. Check it out. You're going to get a discount. Anyways, let's get started. Okay, first one we're looking at is Abrams Squad issue number 34. And on the cover, as you can see, a K1A1, the South Korean main battle tank. Just going to flick you through the pages. Remember, this is a biased review. I work for Abrams Squad as a copy editor. So yes, I'm part of the crew that produces this magazine, be it in a limited sense. Okay, now first of all, if you haven't heard about Abrams Squad is totally dedicated to modern armour, and everything inside these pages focuses on that, including the reviews. And I'll bring my attention to this. This is Michael Shackleton's team. I just want to highlight this article here. They bring out the one of their conversions for a Challenger 1. Just want to show that to you, that we, some of the smaller producers try and capture them. Okay, we've got the remote thermal sight as always. This one, of course, Perry mainly does this. He basically builds a model out of the box and tells you all about it. It tells you every detail, actually, what to look out for, how it looks out when it's built, any inaccuracies, any issues, and basically things that can help you if you choose to build that model. And then from this point on, we've got this feature as on the cover, the K1A1, and this is from my friend in Korea, Byung-So Kim, young South Korean modeler. He is absolutely an amazing guy. He's really got a special talent. So happy to see him within the pages yet again. And we've got also all the details on how he does his weathering, his painting, everything, camouflage. And on top of that, as usual, we've got the references that really help you to get some detail. And again, another friend of mine, Ivan Momlevachik. He is basically our main guy from Serbia. I think he might be in the US though now, so shout out to Ivan. Haven't seen him for a long time, but glad to see him inside the pages with this ATT, and he's done a diorama for us, including all the steps there, how to do the weathering, how to paint the figures, everything. And again, we get these references that combine with the model that you see. And this one is the Type 692 by Italian modeler Simon Antonelli. So if you're interested in modern armour in a destroyed state, here's an article, show you how to do it. And again, the references. And we've got a new contributor, Vyasalovic and Sergeyevich, and I helped do the translation on this. New Russian modeler. Welcome to Abrams Squad, glad to see him. And he's done the S400 Triumph air defense system, so he's got all the details on building this very big model. And again, at the back we've got some references, we've got an exercise. Check out the book. Let's have a look at the next issue. Okay, so I'm going to bring you the first of 2 specials from Pla Editions. This one I really was excited to get. Tractors, modelling Eastern European civilian vehicles. So that's all that you're going to find inside here. And it's only by one modeler. I think he's Polish. Grzegorz Krawiecki. Excuse me if I haven't pronounced your name properly. Very sorry about that if I've got that wrong. Anyways, this is just entirely his work. And if you're interested in these type of models, this magazine would definitely be of interest to you, especially as we're concentrating on, construction, weathering of civilian vehicles. Still the same principles as military ones, but he tells you in detail how he goes about it. And I think the subjects inside here are absolutely awesome. And I would definitely be looking at this reference when it comes to building my own Eastern European civilian vehicles. So also as well, just to point out, a lot of the vehicles inside here are resin vehicles. So if you're interested in, who makes them, and how they look like when they're completed, have a look through. I'm not going to show you every single page, because I would like you, if you're interested in this, of course, to go to Pla Editions and have a look. And I just point this one out. This is from Red Iron Models, one of their, a very new release from them. We've got this built up. How to build it, how to paint it, how to weather it, road rollers, Kirovits. There's lots and lots of subjects inside here. And on top of that, of course, we've got the references. And also, I just need to point out 107 pages of tractors within this issue. I think it's a must-have if you're interested in this genre. And again, another special. And of course, this is the other type of special from Pla Editions. Basically real world references. This time we're looking for the Iron Horse Brigade in Germany. So it's an exercise, US Army, and basically you can see US armour inside these pages. And we've got assistance from Walter Bohm, German contributor, who also we get a layout, the actual text of the exercise, what took place. Get to see all the vehicles, how they look in reality in exercise configuration. This is like a treasure trove for those interested in depicting vehicles in how they actually look. And also you're seeing the very latest up-to-date US modern armour in the pages here. Really nice as well. We've got some, if you're interested in weathering realistically, as in how they look in reality, you've got the details, the pictures inside here. There's all sorts of references, like how the mud splatter on Abrams actually looks like. I think books like these are just irreplaceable, to be honest. If you're interested in depicting some realism in your models, or if you're just a fan of US armour, I think this is a must-have. So we've got all the vehicles, and that's how it's separated out. We've got the Bradleys, whole section on there, really nice clear photographs, really interesting references. And M113, yes, the M13 APC, still in use by US Army, can you believe it? So here's the ABV, the Breacher, armored, the MA88A2 Hercules, armoured engineering vehicle, Paladin, Humvees, trucks, etc. Guardian, and also the RG31 as well as inside here. This is again 71 pages of the latest stuff, basically. Also, just want to tell you as well, these aren't the latest issues because of the postal delays with coronavirus. Do get these magazines a bit later. But now on to what you want to know about the discount code. Okay, guys, discount code. This is the way it works. First of all, you're going to get 15% off everything, and I mean everything, on the Pla Editions website, plaeditions.com. Have a look at the link above, just about here. Okay, have a look through there, and remember, it will run on subscriptions. If you want to buy one magazine, if you want to buy 100 magazines, you will get the discount of 15%. Now, this is open only to the first 50 people who use this code right here. This code right here. Enter this in when you make your order to Pla Editions. Enter this code, and this gives you 15% off of everything that you order. And this code is only valid from today, which is Friday, for 2 weeks. So jump in there, get your orders onto Pla Editions. And I'm just going to bring up one more thing. Yes, we will be doing this in the future as well. And I'm sort of itching to tell you that Perry has been working on an absolutely amazing book that we're going to bring you soon on the Bear channel. I can't wait to show you, because I obviously worked on a little bit of the translation. Absolutely amazing. But anyways, here's the code. Jump in there, use it. Remember, first for 50 guys, and for 2 weeks starting from today. Okay, enjoy. This is the Bear, and I am out of here.